Was
Run, run, run.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cute.
right after I was on the show, I actually fainted on the plane one time because of lack of everything. Serious, that did happen. And it was crazy because I went to LA and I was just like, yeah, let's see what happens. And then I was on a plane to Sweden. I basically never came home, and I went into Sweden and wrote this song with a gentleman there named Peter Svensson. He was from the Cardigans and wrote the song, Love Me, sing it, you remember that one? Anyways, so we write this song together, Run, 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 and I was just like, this is great because I was just telling them the story that I just feel like it's been non-stop, but you don't even realize it. It's all blurred and all into one because, I mean, this is what I've worked my whole life for, and I'm going to keep doing it. You know, now sometimes things even out, you get a little rest, but when it hits, you got to go with it. And so this is where Run, Run, Run came from.
We're going to the game.